We're gonna cook some oven baked jerk drumstick together from start to finish, guys. Enjoy this recipe. Yes, guys, so this is the drumstick. We already cleaned up the drumstick already. We already washed them already. So this is a medium-sized drumstick. But before I do, guys, this is all the seasoning we're gonna do to season up this beautiful drumstick. Over here, guys, we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have half a teaspoon of salt. And then we have 1 teaspoon of allspice, pimento allspice. You have to have that pimento allspice when you're doing the jerk. If you get a kick, give it that flavor. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have half a teaspoon of dry thyme. We have 1.5 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can use any type of oil for your lightness. And this is the medium-sized drumstick, around 15 to 20 drumstick we're gonna have here. Over here, this is the Wakazu jerk season. We have some olive oil we're gonna spray on the tray. And then we have some meat browning right over here. So enjoy this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna season up this nice drumstick. It's not too big drumstick, it's a medium-sized drumstick. I clean them up already. So what I gotta do now, people, I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil on it first before adding the seasoning. So I had some vegetable oil on it. So now I'm just gonna add in the all-purpose seasoning. Gonna add in the allspice pimento allspice. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Salt. A bit of dry thyme. And here's the magic happening now. Here's the jerk's season. So it's 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, 4 teaspoon. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown into it. You don't want to add too much browning to it. So I'm just gonna put my hand in it, guys. You want to rub in all of that, season everything to combine with each other. Oh, you want to smell that jerk seasoning already with that pimento. So underneath the skin, you want to fold back the skin, get some right underneath the skin. Remember, guys, I didn't put on no gloves today, so I need to wash my hand properly now because the jerk season having pepper in it. So I'm gonna leave that right here now. I'm gonna cover it up, put it in a bowl, and make it marinate for around an hour. Yes, my beautiful people, so I pre-warm my oven for 200 degrees. So now I'm just gonna use some olive oil spray to spray this tray because I don't want my drumstick to stick on the tray. So make sure you spray it properly over it. Then after, I'm just gonna lay the drumstick on this beautiful tray. Because it's not a large drumstick, it's a medium-sized drumstick we're doing today, guys. So it's an awesome, delicious recipe, guys, in Selvin Kitchen. Yes, guys, look at that now, people. So this, I'll let it marinate for 1 hour. Now I just put them on the tray. Now I'm gonna stuck them in the oven and giving them around 12 minutes, and then I take them out and then I check them again. So stay tuned, guys. Beautiful, awesome, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. We're gonna do oven baked jerk drumstick. Yes, my beautiful people. So now I'm just gonna check them in the oven for the last 12 minutes. This is not a big size drumstick, guys. This is a medium sized drumstick. I reckon if you guys gonna do a oven baked drumstick, try and get the medium sized drumstick, not too big. It's very easy to cook because the big drumstick gonna take a longer to cook in the oven. So I give them for 12 minutes. So now I'm just gonna check them. I'm gonna turn them over and then I'm gonna put them back. Give them another 12 minutes and then I check them again, guys. So enjoy this beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen. Enjoy the music, guys. Yes, my beautiful people, I'm gonna make some sauce now to spread on the chicken. You don't want to eat no dry drumstick. So now I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of half of ketchup, then a tablespoon of honey, and then after a tablespoon of honey, I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of oyster sauce. I ain't gonna add no salt in it because the oyster sauce having salt in it already. I'm gonna add some chili sauce. This chili sauce give it that extra kick, that extra flavor, and then a tablespoon of half of warm water. And then I'm gonna use my whisk and whisk it up. I'm gonna add in some more water in it. And then I'm just gonna take out my chicken and spread on my chicken. Yes, my beautiful people, I just got the chicken out the oven already cooked already. So now there's a sauce what I make. I'm just gonna coat the chicken with it. I'm gonna coat the first side. Now I'm just gonna coat them right through because you don't want to eat a dry chicken. I'm just gonna pick up a little piece, put it in my mouth. Oh my god, that tastes delicious. So now I'm just gonna turn them over. I'm just gonna coat the second side and then I'm gonna put them in the oven back for 5 minutes. Guys, this is a easy recipe. You want to invite some friends over, you want to cook it for your wife, you want to surprise your husband on a Saturday or a Friday evening. So this is a beautiful recipe to try. Try this recipe. This recipe is not hard. Somebody try this recipe, do a look at video and send it to me. I want to know how this recipe turn out. So after I finish cook them, guys, I'm gonna put them back in the oven for 5 minutes because the chicken already cooked already. You don't want to put them more than 5 minutes. So turn on the oven around 100 degrees, then you put them back in the oven for 5 minutes, and then after you take them out, you're ready to eat, people. You want a cold beer or a cold glass of orange juice with this beautiful recipe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, guys, and sit back and enjoy this beautiful, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen, guys. Awesome. Yes, my beautiful people, this is all finished now, guys. This is the oven baked jerk drumstick, guys. Easy, delicious recipe. So you guys can try this recipe. You can surprise your husband, you can surprise your wife, you can surprise some friends with have some beers over. So thank you guys for watching. Please like the video before you go. And if you're watching the video and you don't subscribe, people, please subscribe before you go. Please join the family and let us grow together. We'll be stronger together. I'm gonna drop the link. Anybody want to be a patron? I'm going to drop the link. So stay safe, walk good, Selvin Kitchen, a lot of love.